Welcome class. Today we are looking at GCSE 2024-2025 questions on quadratic equation. So solve the quadratic equation below. You have x squared minus 2x minus b equal to 0. So this is a question that you want to solve together and you want to use the quadratic formula. So you can see that there's a coefficient of 1. You know the coefficient, the a will give us 1. Then b is the coefficient of the x here. So you have b will give us negative 2. Then c will give us negative 15. Now using our formula, you can write. So using our formula, you can have x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is the quadratic formula that we use to solve the question on the board. Now, the next step is that we will substitute the values of a, b, and c into the formula. So we will still have x is equal to b is negative. You can have negative into brackets, negative 2, close the bracket, plus or minus, then bring our square root sign. Then the b is negative, so we write it into bracket, negative 2, all square, minus 4 into bracket, a is 1, and then the c is negative 15. Now, all over 2. So the a is 1, so you place here 1. The next step, we will simplify. So I'll have negative times negative 2 will give us positive 2, plus or minus 2 squared will give us 4. Then we have 4 times 1 times 50 will give us negative 60. But negative times negative will give us what? Positive what? 60. So you can have plus 60 here. All over 2 times 1 will give us 2. Now we will have x is equal to, you have 2 plus or minus square root of 64 all on 2. Then you can have here x equal to 2 plus or minus 8 all on 2. So breaking it down, we can have x is equal to 2 plus 8 all over 2, which will give us 10 on 2, which will give us 5. So the first x is 5, and then we come here, we can also have x is equal to 2 minus 6, 2 minus 8. We take plus, because it's plus or minus, we have done the positive one, so we have to do the negative one. 2 minus 8 all over 2, which will give us negative 6 all over 2, and the answer will give us 3. So the values for x will give us, let's say x will give us 5 or negative 6 divided by 2 give us negative 3. So we get 5 is x or negative 3. So the values for the x will give us 5 or negative 3. Thank you.